is Friday, April 3rd. Welcome back. We have two parts for your workout today. Part A today, we have a 4 max repetition structure. You will do 5 rounds of 20 seconds of hollow rocks, 20 seconds of lateral jumps, 20 seconds of rest. Immediately following your 5 rounds of those movements, you will perform 5 rounds of 20 seconds of arch rocks, 20 seconds of lateral jumps, and 20 seconds of rest. This structure should take you 10 minutes to complete. For part B today, we have an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 10 minutes. You will perform 7 deadlifts, 7 V-ups, and 7 push-ups. We're hoping that this deadlift is a lighter, cyclable deadlift, so that you're performing all 3 of these movements at roughly the same pace. We want you to move quickly and get a lot of rounds in this AMRAP. Good luck. Let us know how you did.
All right, guys, welcome back. It's Friday, April 3rd. I'm going to lead you through another warm-up. All right, to start it off, get the heart rate going, we have 15 burpee to tuck jump. So we're going to get down on the ground, do a burpee. At the top, we're going to get 1 tuck jump. All right, 15 of those. All right, moving on, we're going to go into a Tabata, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 8 rounds. First round, we're going to do a dead bug. So we're going to get down on our back, arms overhead, arms right in front, knees up. We're going to get alternate hand and alternate leg extended. Then we're going to switch sides for those 20 seconds. After that, we're going to do some plank ups. So we're going to start on our elbows and go onto the hands and right back down for 20 seconds. After that, we're going to get on all 4s and do some bird dogs. So again, similar to the dead bug, alternate hand and leg extended, keeping that core tight, almost in a hollow position. After that, we're going to do some inchworms. So we're going to hinge forward, walk our hands all the way out, extend it as far as possible, and then get those feet to the hands. All right, moving on, we're gonna do 2 rounds of a series of movements to get us prepped for the workout. All right, to start it off, we have 4 man makers. So we're gonna start off in a plank position, feet in a wider stance. We're gonna get a row per arm, down to a push-up, come up, ground to overhead with your dumbbells. If you have 2 dumbbells, that'd be great. If not, you could use 1 kettlebell, 1 dumbbell. You just have to alternate sides. All right, so moving on, we have 6 jumping lunges. So 12 reps here. We're gonna get 6 on each leg, nice and easy. After that, we have 8 candlestick roll-ups, arms overhead, core tight in a hollow position. We're gonna lay back on the ground, get back up, all the way to the top, 8 times. All right, we're gonna get back on the floor. We have 10 flutter kicks on each side, so a total of 20 reps. Arms overhead in a hollow position. We're gonna be flutter kicking here, 20 reps. All right, you guys, get after it.